It's time for another fan unboxing. This is a General Electric box fan from the 50s actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear into this box, and I'll be right back. Here it is. It's one of these diffuser grill General Electric box fans, but as you can see, it suffered some major shipping damage. That's really upsetting. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out of here. We'll see how it runs, but that's really irritating that happened. Even the back grill was messed up. So yeah, and the badge just fell off of here. There's a big crack on there. So I have to try and put that back on. I'm gonna have to try and, I don't know, glue this or something, but this is ridiculous. Typical US Postal Service BS. Okay, so this just keeps getting better. You can see the things that hold the bottom of the grill on are down there, but there's nothing sticking off the top of this to go in these holes. So the back guard it's not going to be able to be put on there. I did check the bearing. It's nice and doesn't have any play in it, so that's good. But yeah, the back grill isn't going to be able to put on, and the front grill is all cracked and destroyed. So thanks, USPS. Really appreciate it. But let's plug this thing in and see how it runs. It is now plugged in. I just stuck the badge back on there. It's going to fall off again, but whatever. Let me turn the light on here. Move this a little bit. There you go. It's electrically reversible, 3-speed, and it has a thermostat. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and turn it on low. That sounds really bad. That is shaking worse than I have ever seen a fan shake. This thing needs to be balanced. It needs oil. It needs to have the front grill fixed. And I guess the little things that would go up here that hook into the frame just broke off because they were so rough with this thing when it shipped. So that's great. That it runs. I guess I'll try and get some work done on it and see if we can improve it. But this is really annoying. Well, I got the blade balanced finally. It was really shaking bad. But what I did to balance it is I put these little shelf clips on here. One right there. And one right there. Now, there's already a counterweight right here, but that just wasn't enough. As you can see, there's screws here and nuts on the other side. And basically, this hub was not centered on that spindle, and it was really shaking bad because of that. So, but I mean, even after I got it more centered, it still shook like crazy. But now it runs nice and smooth with these two shelf clips on here. Still can't get over the fact that the freaking rails are both broken. But at least this thing runs. I did some more, checking on the bearing, and there is a little bit of play there. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it on the phone, but I can hear it and I can feel it. So the bearing is loose, which is a shame, but I guess that's just the way it is for a fan that was made in the 50s and probably never maintained properly. Now, somebody has messed with this fan in the past. I can smell 3-in-1 oil in the motor, and somebody also, I'm just going to turn it around. Hang on a second. It's heavy. Somebody drilled a hole in the back, and you can see the back of the motor shaft there. So they put that hole in there so they could get oil in there, I'm guessing. So, yeah, this thing has definitely been messed with before. But I'm going to try and get it in as good a shape as I possibly can. So, I'm just happy that the blade is finally balanced. It was really, really bad. So, let's do a startup sound. Just why not? Alright, that'll do it for this video. There'll be more videos on this.